Hey guys, so we'll be doing a photography and videography comparison of Galaxy S10 versus Galaxy S22 Ultra. So the S10 is on One UI 4.0 with the March security patch. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is on One UI 4.1 with the March security patch. And for settings, I have H.265 turned off, so they're just on H.264. This is the default anyway. And as always, I will have two albums in the video description. One will be pictures and videos that the S10 took. The other will be pictures and videos that the S22 Ultra took. And yeah, without further ado, let's continue. Okay. Oh, one last thing. You can kind of consider this whole video as comparison of Note 10 Plus versus S22 Ultra, as Note 10 Plus is the same camera hardware as the Galaxy S10, and it also goes without saying Galaxy S10 has the same hardware as the S10e and the S10 Plus as well. So, first picture here we have is ultra wide on both phones, and just immediately can tell the detail difference. Like the S22 Ultra, much sharper, better detailed. The clouds are sharper, better color reproduction, everything. The biggest change I noticed is this area right here. Like on the Ultra, you can see like the trees look a bit darker, but like that's kind of what it's supposed to look like. It's like brown and stuff. This is weirdly green, so I don't know what the Ultra right here is doing. Oh, and the Ultra wide on the S22 Ultra is also a macro lens, so that's also another one for the Ultra. Alright, next up we have a wide angle photo on both phones here, and yeah, this is kind of a common theme. The S22 Ultra photos just have better sharpness and color reproduction, as you can see. Like this picture looks a lot warmer for some reason. It's kind of weird, but yeah, the shadow looks better on the S22 Ultra as well. And even if we zoom in, we can see the branches and everything are sharper and better detailed. Heck, let's just do like insane. Okay, yeah, we'll just do like around there. Anyway, yeah, you can see even like this is zoomed in a little bit more, but yeah, you can see the difference in colors. Like this is more like a greenish hue. This is more like a brownish hue, which is what it actually looks like. So I don't know. This likes to favor warmer colors for some reason. Okay, this next picture, I don't know what happened here. Oh, this is also the wide angle camera, I should mention. When I say wide angle, I just mean the standard lens, but yeah. It just looks very washed out and bad. I don't know what the S10 was doing. S22 Ultra, like, man, insane difference. I think the scene optimizer forgot to work in this picture. So yeah, this is like, I don't know. I don't even want to count this photo because of how bad the S10 did. But yeah. Alright, let's move on. And this is a 10x telephoto picture we have here. And you'll see massive differences because the S22 Ultra has a 10 megapixel periscope lens with it's a much bigger lens as well. The S10 I believe has like a 2x telephoto lens. It's like 12 megapixels or something. Yeah, 12 megapixels. As well, the maximum zoom on S10 is like 10x. Maximum zoom on S22 Ultra is 100x. So yeah, you can see massive differences. I do apologize that the angle is a bit different on both, but yeah, you can see like this part is kind of common on both. Yeah, much sharper, much better colors, everything. Zoom is king on the Ultra. That's the conclusion you can make with this picture. Zoom is king on the S22 Ultra. One of the best smartphones for zoom. There will be better phones that have better zoom, but still, yeah. This picture not massively different, but well, when you look up like up here, actually wait, that's a complete lie. It looks completely different. Wow. Okay. This looks washed out and there's no detail. This is much better colors and is full of detail. What is happening here? Like look at just the concrete alone. Insane. Like I didn't really look at these pictures too closely, but yeah, like the brick detail, the fact the sky is like washed out and the trees have no separation or anything compared to this, where you can make out this building a lot more in these little branches. Insane. Oh, right in person. Wow, okay, so much better details and color sharpness. And here's oh, and basically most of these cameras are screen to wide. I will try to state if it's not, but yes, this photo and this photo are on the wide angle. But yeah, okay. This picture, they're actually closer, surprisingly. So yeah, S10 is holding its own. The brick detail does look a bit better on the. Actually, I don't know. The brick detail's not bad on this. Although, okay, yeah, it looks more like a water painting compared to this. Even this, like, little bush here. Oh, oops. Even this little bush here. Wow, okay. Okay. But yes, once again, like the concrete detail, everything much better on the S22 Ultra. Alright, next up we have our first nightography photo. And it's not hugely different. Okay, yeah, it kind of is. You can see the buildings are sharper, they have much better color reproduction and everything. And yeah, the main focus of the video really is to show how much a difference 3 years of hardware makes. 3 years? Yeah, about 3 years. Alright, so this was also a wide angle. Alright, another wide angle nightography photo. And this photo actually has massive differences. This looks washed out, and the main reason is this light right here. This was like the Achilles heel of the Galaxy S10. This light. Because of this light, the grass looks too bright and washed out. But that's the difference in hardware. You see, the S22 Ultra, it tamed the light. That's the main difference there. You can see that it tamed all the lights. Like, these lights don't look as blown out as they do, like, compared to this. See? You can see it's too bright. This powers the bush here compared to this. It's just crazy. And yeah, of course, the colors, everything, grass sharpness, the details and the reflections of the puddles, everything looks much better on the S22 Ultra. Some parts do look a bit darker, but it's fine. Like, yeah, like these little branches here, you can't even see it because of this light here. So, meh. Also, this is the only picture I took in landscape. I don't know why I took one landscape, but yeah. Okay, another night photo. This one had even less lighting than the last one, and yeah, this was able to like recapture those colors. I'm so surprised. Where did it get this red from? I don't know. I guess it is red in real life now that I think about it. But yeah, even this, look how blurry this looks. This is much sharper. Not much to say about this picture, except I don't know what the Ultra did here. Where did this green patch come from? There's no like moss or anything there. I don't know. This doesn't have that. Maybe it's a software glitch. Could be. Who really knows? Okay. Huh. The S10 one. This. What the heck? This is brighter. I mean, this is sharper, but okay. But the detail here, though. I don't know. Which photo do you guys think looks better? I think that S10 picture looks better. Like, mainly this part down here. It looks too dark. This part is brighter and it still captures detail fine. Even the branches over here. Okay, this is sharper. This is blurry, but like when looking at it at a distance, it's brighter. Like you can see this part easier. Although the background, I like the background part better on the Ultra. Same with this. Once again, the light is not overblown. The light is overblown on this. It's just a common theme. Another nightography photo. Why I call it nightography? Okay. Anyway, yeah. Once again, brighter, better sharpness on the branches and everything. The sky looks brighter as well. So, yeah, that's another thing. Once again, the lights are not overblown. So, yay. Okay, so this is another wide angle photo. in the woods. And I actually kind of prefer the S10 picture. I mean, yeah, it's not like as sharp in some of the rocks or anything, but I think the S10 looks better in this picture. Although the greenery, actually no, this looks like the better picture. So same thing. I guess you can work on your processing a bit for some things. Another wide angle picture and whoa. Okay, this looks a million times better. Sharper, better detail, everything. This branch down here, or log, yeah. What happened here? This looks much better. The water, everything, literally everything looks better. Okay, S10 or S22 Ultra brought it back. Yeah. This was a 10x telephoto, and I believe this is the last picture. Yeah. Once again, I apologize. The angle is kind of bad, but once again, the detail, like the detail. Even I don't even have to zoom in. You can just tell. Like this is like almost pitch black. This is more variation in the different shades of black, so you can see it all little ridges in the log. This doesn't have any of that, and the little rocks on just shore here. What is happening here? I know it's less resolution, but still, like what the heck? I don't know. Okay, so from here, let me just check real quick. Yeah, so from here, I'll just have a couple of videos up and then a conclusion, I suppose. But yeah, that's about it for the photography comparison. So to conclude, as we can see here, the Galaxy S22 Ultra takes much better pictures in daylight, low light, telephoto, ultra wide, and in the next video you can see the videography comparison. It takes much better videos as well, even at low light. So the question I'm asking you guys is do you guys think it's worth the upgrade? Because in my opinion, it is. It definitely, like for the camera alone, it's worth the upgrade to go from an S10 or Note 10 to an S22 Ultra. It is definitely a major leap. In general, I do recommend about 3 years is when you notice bigger changes. But even then, last year, the S10 versus S21 comparison I made, I didn't notice a big difference in photos. So, and yeah, the videography comparison should be up at the same time as this video. So when you guys are done watching this, you can go watch that if you so please. And that is all for this video anyway. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, hopefully you check out the videography comparison after this.